Take a look at this Ford here at Unique, especially in Classics, 1974 Ford F100 Ranger. Short box Stepside, black with some orange highlights on the wheels, as you can see, and that's going to complement the interior of this truck when we get around to check that out a little closer. We got 351 Cleveland underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Show you where the controllers are for that when we get to the interior. But first, take a look at that chrome bumper. Bright work on the grille, headlight surrounds, looking good up front here. One thing I did notice is there's some light, kind of just water spotting in the black, just kind of real light. If you can see that again, kind of being fussy, but want to let you know about it. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time looking through them. Be close to 100 pictures of this truck online. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, underside. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Does have front disc brakes. And again, those are power brakes, power steering. And you can see the black. Does have a nice reflection coming off of it. Good shine. Now here's your two-tone interior. I mentioned you have a little orange highlights being accented from the wheels and the interior. So bench seat, orange and black. Other than that, pretty stock looking dash, with the exception of a aftermarket radio, kind of retro sound style radio, and we have some custom AC control installation that was done to this, and I'll show you that in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You need to pull a small trailer, all set up for that. And you also have the receiver, a little larger hitch if you need to put in there. Bed looks fabulous in this one with the stainless, nice and bright. The wood finish showing very well. And you'll be able to take your time looking through that in the still pictures also. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I have had the wipers working. The radio did work, FYI. As well as that AC blowing cold. Ultra wheels, or no, Pacer wheels it looks like. Sorry about that. Black inserts with the orange highlights and door panels. Door panels look good. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see under the floor mats, so you can check out the carpeting as well as the floor mats themselves. Like I said, kind of your two-tone black with orange highlighted bench seat. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Nice sounding truck. Starts easily. Oil pressure coming up. Fuel gauge, looks like it's slowly coming up there also. There's the radio working. That was a cold start, so temp gauge won't be up. Alternator. Now, HVAC controls right under here. So you have your fan speed and your temperature also. And then that will, whoops, close and shut that. Check out the rest of the dash. Just good up top. Look like a aftermarket antenna. Rest of the interior, as you can see, headliner matches. All right, let's slip around to the back of this here, Ron. We'll check out that engine bay. Like I said, nice sounding truck. A little rumble coming out of that V8. All right, let me go up to the hood here. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay and wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, looking good. The 351, again, power steering, power brakes, Aluminum radiator, fan shroud, AC. AC is the more modern. Does have the 134, not the R112 or R12. Heater hoses, everything hooked up. HEI ignition. Nice setup underneath there. Looks like newer belts also. 1974 F100. Regular cab, short box, Stepside. Good looking truck in black. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1974 Ford F100 pickup. We're gonna go for a little drive. Retro sound style radio works well. Both our blinker indicators work. Acceleration is good. Windshield wipers are working. Oil pressure is a little higher than 3/4 on the gauge from low to high. Fuel is reading about 1/8 of a tank. Our alternator gauge is reading a little over half. Coolant temperature is reading about 1/4 on the gauge. We're at 60 miles an hour.